My lord, pursuant to my lord's last direction, my lord, we have filed affidavit, my lord. However, my lord, there was a slight delay in filing, my lord. We could file it yesterday, my lord.
कोई बात नहीं, आ गया रिकॉर्ड पे, आ गया
रिकॉर्ड पे
आपने इनको कॉपी दे दी बस।
खालसा तैयार बर तैयार है, तैयार बर तैयार है, हम ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर आर्ग्यूमेंट।
See, Narendra Singh Rupra is ready or Khalsa is ready?
Khalsa is ready. Khalsa means pure, always ready.
क्या मैटर क्या है ये?
My lord, this is a matter in which the English medium students have
मुझे याद आ गया, मुझे याद आ गया। वो एक शिफ्ट में वो क्या है?
हाँ जी, उसका इन्होंने एफिडेविट पेश किया है।
बाबू साहब रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं आएगा तो साफ कोई
I will read the relevant portion. Para 13.
मैं क्लियर कर दूं सर, मेरा एफिडेविट मेरा एफिडेविट है सर, हम क्लियर करेंगे ना।
आपको तो परपेशी मिलता नहीं, इनको परपेशी मिलता है, इनको
नहीं मिलता सर।
आपके पक्ष में भी बोलो तो भी आपको दिक्कत हो रही है।
नहीं, आई वो डाउन माय लॉर्ड।
अब क्या मिलता है क्या नहीं मिलता इस एज में इरेलेवेंट हो जाता है सर।
आपके लिए
जी हाँ, मेरे लिए तो इरेलेवेंट हो गया।
On the last date it was argued by the petitioners.
याद आ गया मुझे, पूरा केस याद आ गया
सर
कि इंग्लिश मीडियम का एक शिफ्ट में क्योंकि एग्जाम हुआ था।
हाँ जी।
और हिंदी मीडियम के कई शिफ्टों में हुआ, तो हिंदी मीडियम में तो स्केलिंग या वो जो भी है आपका रैशनलाइजेशन का लागू होगा सर। एक शिफ्ट में होने के कारण रैशनलाइजेशन का प्रोसेस लागू नहीं सर। आपकी बहस ये थी कि पेपर बाइलिंगुअल था, सेम पेपर था सर, तो इसीलिए जो है ये लागू होगा सर। अब हमने आपसे कुछ बातें पूछी थी, अब आपने क्या कहा बताइए।
Sir, my lord, I just want to clarify, my lord, that their argument was misplaced. Why I say so is, my lord, that my lord, what they were trying to argue was that they had applied for the subject English, my lord. They were trying to confuse, my lord, that they have applied.
No, they never confused. They said that they appeared through English medium.
But if that's their case, my lord, I would submit, my lord. I've stated categorically that irrespective of that, my lord, the examination was not held separately for Hindi and English, my lord. Subject wise, my lord, the class, the component of
he's not on the subject, he's on the medium. Am I right? You are on the medium. अंग्रेजी मीडियम से जिन्होंने पेपर दिया, आपने सारे कैंडिडेट्स का, अंग्रेजी माध्यम के कैंडिडेट्स का एक शिफ्ट में पेपर लिया और हिंदी माध्यम का विभिन्न शिफ्टों में लिया, तो हिंदी माध्यम में तो वो लागू होगा, अंग्रेजी माध्यम में लागू नहीं होगा।
अच्छा, एक विषय का भिन्नता होती है कि जो इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले हैं वो इंग्लिश को एज फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट लेते हैं, बस और कोई फर्क नहीं। दो ही पेपर्स में भिन्नता होती है, वन इज इंग्लिश, द अदर इज हिंदी, बाकी सब पेपर्स कॉमन है। दैट वी हैव डिस्क्लोज्ड इन आवर सबमिशंस।
मतलब उसका आई क्लैरिफाई माय लॉर्ड कि मीडियम से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इट्स अ बाइलिंगुअल एग्जामिनेशन। एंड सेकेंडली माय लॉर्ड, what my senior is saying कि English हमारा first subject था, it is not subject, it is language, because that's the component of the examination, that's the how the examination has been framed, my lord. My lord, I have demonstrated that in paragraph 8 of my return.
ये पढ़ी है
that chapter 3 of the rule book prescribed that the examination shall be of total 150 marks, wherein each MCQ question shall carry 1 mark and there would please 25 minute, my lord. That chapter 3 of the rule book prescribed that the examination shall be of total 150 mark, wherein each MCQ question shall carry 1 mark and there would not be any negative marking. The structure and content of the examination was defined as mentioned below. Child development pedagogy, that was 30 marks, language 1 30 marks, language 2 30 marks, Ganit 30 marks, environmental study 30 marks.
Yes.
So my lord, every candidate had to choose language 1 and language 2. Now the petitioner here in my lord, she had chosen language 1 as English. It is not that she appeared only for English medium. The language 1 was Hindi. Now if my lord would just have a perusal of page 40, my lord.
40 of the petition.
Of the reply, my lord. So these are the details of the paper wise, my lord, which was conducted in 40 sheets. Now what they were, sorry. So this data, my lord, I compiled. My lord, what the argument of the petitioner was that they have appeared on 12/3. my lord, would get the TET 12-3.
English, Hindi.
English was their language 1, Hindi was their language 2. So my lord, this was conducted on 12-3 from 9:30 to 12 p.m.
को भी है.
26-3 को भी same हुआ है. So it is in more than 2 shifts, my lord.
It is more than one shift.
More than one shift, sorry. More than one shift. I put on, my lord. So my lord, their argument that it was only on 12-3, my lord, that stands defeated.
देखिए, आप इतने अच्छे हैं, you will accept it. But the moment you
पहली बात तो आई एम टच्ड बाय द डिस्क्लोजर ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर. याचिका मेरी डिसमिस हो जाए, अला हो जाए, मेरे को कोई नहीं. बट आई एम सो मच इम्प्रेस्ड विद द नेक्स्ट ईयर R2 that I really appreciate not only my learned friend but also the professional examination board की बहुत अच्छा काम किया. Now we'll see what comes out of it.
yes.
बोल लो आप. Then I'll make my submission. हो गया.
ठीक है. आपने यही कहना है.
So my lord,
और कुछ कहना
so my lord, what my submission is, my lord, twofold, my lord. First, that all these examinations, my lord, since there were the 80% of the exam question paper was common, my lord. Only for language it was different, my lord. So therefore, my lord, we have taken it. We have applied the formula of normalization. And my lord, it was the question paper was bilingual. It was not only that the English medium have appeared separately and Hindi medium have appeared separately. My lord, that we have stated on affidavit. Now, my lord, I have already supplied, my lord, I will again supply a set of judgment. My lord, one judgment passed by my lord, wherein, my lord, everything has been taken care of.
बता दो कौन से
Sir, आपके लिए set अलग से.
नाम बता दो. आई हैव गॉट मोस्ट ऑफ दिस.
ये सर आप रख लीजिए. The issue of normalization, my lord, have been pleased to deal with, man.
If you don't mind.
My lord,
Continue.
yes, sir. Wherein the report, just a Supreme Court wala bhi sir. That paragraph 40, 67, 68, and 90. What paragraph 40? Final.
Only judgments you should have given me last night. I would have studied them all.
So
Anyway.
एक काम करते हैं, आपको कन्वीनियंट है, पासओवर में रख लेते हैं. You go through them.
पास और नहीं साहब, मैं इतना जल्दी नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा.
आप नहीं पढ़ पा रहे.
नेक्स्ट वीक में. हाँ, नेक्स्ट वीक. ये सारी जजमेंट की कॉपी मेरे को दे दें. I'll demonstrate.
हाँ.
I know where is the catch, my lord.
बार अप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम.
अच्छा, दे चुके हैं आप.
हाँ, पहले भी दे चुके हैं.
एक बार और दे सर.
Yeah,
I think
I think my learned friend has missed the point. I'll demonstrate that.
Rahul Divakar, learned counsel for respondent
3.
Three judgments.
Shri.
I am for respondent number 3 in petition number 1. Main petition.
शुभ नाम बताइए.
Siddharth Sharma.
सिद्धार्थ
Sharma.
शर्मा. कितने सिद्धार्थ शर्मा हो गए?
There are 3.
तो आप लोग नंबरिंग कर लो अपनी 1 2 3 सीनियरिटी के हिसाब से.
My lord.
ये तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा कौन अपियर हो रहा है कौन नहीं हो रहा है.
संजय
सीनियर ही सीनियर और यू सीनियर.
I am senior.
जो सीनियर तो सीनियर को डालिएगा. सिद्धार्थ शर्मा सीनियर. Today, Shri Divakar submits that as per annexure R2. नहीं, sorry. As per his affidavit dated. क्या डेट इसकी affidavit की?
Affidavit की date 11/4.
11/4/2023, para 8. The exam was conducted in terms of chapter 3 of the rule book, which prescribed that exam shall be of total 150 marks, wherein each MCQ question shall carry 1 mark, and there would not be any negative marking. Full stop. It is pointed out that the structure of the exam, the structure and content of the examination is given herein, which prescribes that there will be 30 questions for child development and pedagogy, 30 questions for language -1, 30 questions for language 2, 30 questions for mathematics and 30 questions for environmental study. Full stop. They submitted that it is only language 1 and 2, which shows that whether a particular candidate had opted for English as a first language or Hindi as a first language. Full stop. Next paragraph. Reading from Annexure R2, it is pointed out that test paper was conducted in English Hindi medium on 2 dates. That is,
If I may just interrupt,
12/3/2022.
it's not medium, language.
Language on English Hindi language was conducted on 2 dates. That is 12/3/2022 and 26/3/2022. And thus English Hindi language paper having been conducted in more than one shift will admittedly attract normalization. So stop. It is further submitted that in fact language is not material because 80% of the paper comprising of teaching 60%. Child development and pedagogy, mathematics and environmental study is common, and only difference is in the option of language, which makes difference for at the level of the toughness of the question paper. That is, those opting for English language as first language will have tougher questions for English language as compared to Hindi language, and those opting for Hindi language will have tougher benchmark for Hindi language than English language, and thus principle of normalization can still be applied. Stop. He has placed, next paragraph, he has placed reliance on the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in the state of Uttar Pradesh and others versus Atul Kumar Trivedi, judgment of Allahabad, High Court of Allahabad in Deepak Kumar and others versus Union of India and others. ये सबको दे रहा हूँ, citation लिख ले. Full stop. He also places reliance on order dated 18/1/2022 passed by this court in WP 9598/2018 and connected WPs, wherein this court has referred to order dated 22/6/17 of the Indore bench of this High Court in WP 8083/16 and corrected petitions, where the process of normalization was tested by the Indian Institute of Management Indore. Process of normalization. Next verse. Placing reliance on these judgments, it is submitted that the action of the respondent number 3 cannot be faulted. Next paragraph. At this stage, Shri N.S. Rupra makes a fair prayer to allow him some time to go through the judgments and address this court fairly. You will not necessarily oppose. If you are convinced, you will say you are going.
No, I will definitely oppose because I know he's wrong.
Acha, okay.
I know he's wrong. I'll demonstrate that next week.
On
Keeping my cards, not disclosing my cards.
हमारे देख नहीं सर आज में
Next on 21 अप्रैल 2023. 21 अप्रैल 2023.
सर
21 अप्रैल.
तारीख
क्या हुआ?
ठीक है सर, तारीख का होगा तो मैं लंच में बता दूंगा. भोपाल जाना था एक केस में.
अरे आप इतने बड़े हो कि भोपाल क्यों जाते हैं? डिस्ट्रिक्ट
सर बहुत बड़ा केस है सर. वैसे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में इतने बड़े बड़े केस होते हैं.
जी
मैं बता दूंगा.
बता दीजिएगा.